In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to locate my files on Jupyter Notebook. By the end, you'll know exactly where Jupyter is looking for files so you can save, load, and organize your work with confidence. First, open Jupyter in your web browser. This might be Jupyter Notebook or JupyterLab launched from your computer or a hosted environment. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Jupyter interface with a menu bar at the top. Next, go to the File menu at the top, hover over New, and click Notebook. If you're prompted to choose a kernel or environment, pick Python. A new notebook will open with an empty cell ready for you to type. Now we'll ask Python where Jupyter is currently working. In the first cell, type import OS. Then on the next line, type os.getcwd. Run the cell. You can use the run button or press Shift plus Enter on your keyboard. The output that appears right under the cell is the path to your current working directory. That's the folder Jupyter is using as the base location for reading and saving files. A quick note on what you're seeing. CWD stands for Current Working Directory. On Windows, the path may look like a drive letter followed by folders, while on macOS and Linux, it will start with a / and list folders from the root. Either way, this path corresponds to an actual folder on your system or on the server where Jupyter is running. Why this matters: any file you open or save without a full path is relative to this location. If you save a notebook or a dataset, it will land inside this folder unless you specify otherwise. If you need to find that folder outside Jupyter, copy the output path and open it in your system's file explorer. That's it. You've opened Jupyter, created a notebook, and used a simple Python command to reveal exactly where your files live. Now you can work with your notebooks and data knowing precisely where everything is stored.